Everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is April, and before we get started, I wanted to say thank you to everyone that has purchased a t-shirt so far to help support this channel. Today's video is possible because of you guys, so thank you so much for watching, and let's get started. So the other day I was on YouTube and I stumbled upon this comment from Ellie M, and she goes, you should do a challenge where you go thrifting blindfolded and you need to fix up whatever you got. Ellie, your request sounds like it would be a super fun and entertaining video to watch and a great challenge for me. So let's head to the thrift store and see how I do. All right, got my shopping carts. Got my blindfold. We're just gonna head into one of the aisles. Oh, this is gonna be so interesting. I'm gonna blindfold myself and we're gonna start this challenge. Okay, is anyone in this aisle?
No, no one's in.
Oh, no one? Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna do this the same way I normally would go thrifting. And that is to just throw whatever that I think will be good, and at the end, I think I'll choose 3. This feels kind of cool. The texture feels kind of cool. Like, there's something going on here. What is this, like sweaters? It's like a sweater. No, like, is this like the cardigan? Short sleeve? Oh god, this is so hard. I don't know what the heck I'm looking at. All right, so we are now in the dress aisle, which is my favorite aisle. But maybe what will be transforming is a dress. Oh, I like how this feels. It's like a suede. But what kind of design is it? I like this one because the texture is different. My plan is here to grab 3 different items of different textures and just go with it. No, that does not feel good. What's on top here? It has like, what is this? The top has some kind of embroidery. I think we'll go with this one. This is the craziest thing I've ever done in a thrift store. Ooh, this is like a, ooh, ASMR. You guys hear that? What's the top like? There's a collar. You can have an idea of what it looks like because there's like a waistline here, and then the skirt. I'm assuming it flares out, so I think this one might be a, yeah. Nah, I don't really want to work with sequins. Oh, this one has like a little back strap. Some pleats in the front. Maybe I'll hold this one just in case. Did I grab the right one? Okay. We'll hold this one. Oh, this one's stretchy. What is this? This is a pant? There's another like stretchy elastic. I don't know. None of the pants are really inspiring me. They all feel the same.
This one might be good. Check this one out.
The one that I grabbed?
This one right here.
No, you can't help me. That's cheating. Feels kind of cool. What is it, like a onesie? Oh, is it just like a really long dress shirt? So I can only go home, or I only want to go home with 3. Which one was this one? The pants? Yeah. Yes, the pants. Oh yeah, that one with like that really weird texture. It's just like a really plain shirt. It's like this is like one of those white eyelet tops. Okay, I kind of like that one. Okay, so this one, is this a dress, right? Or was it a shirt?
You say that.
Okay, so there's a button and a zipper. I think it's a skirt. Is it a skirt? Another section at the bottom. I don't know, we'll see, maybe. I still kind of like the texture of this one. It seems very easy to work with. It seems like something I would transform. That's what it feels like. Maybe to this one.
There's one more in there. It's really deep in there. Actually, there's 2. Look at this one.
All right, I'm back home now with my mystery bag of items that I picked out blindfolded. Eric actually purchased these at the checkout, so I wouldn't see what I picked out until this moment right here. So the bag is all stapled closed. Oh my gosh, I'm so nervous. I'm so nervous. All right, so the first item, oh my gosh, it's so blue. Actually, this blue is really pretty. Oh, this is cute. Oh my gosh. We didn't even look at the price tag or anything. Well, I had no idea what the prices were. So this one was $11.99. This blue is actually really, really pretty. Wow, look at this. I don't know if it looks good on my skin tone, but it's a really pretty blue. I love the buttons down the skirt, and I'm super excited to try it on and see how I can make it fit myself better. All right, the next item, I knew it was something like this, like a white eyelet kind of top. This is interesting. Okay, this one's not that bad either. I think I chose it because I knew that I could feel that these were holes right here, and I thought it would be fun to use it like that. $6.49. Yeah, this one's not really my style, but maybe I can turn it into something I would actually wear. And the last item in the bag is also white. Oh my gosh, these are the pants I picked up. Ooh, I like the color. It's an off-white, like an eggshell. And these were only $5.49. I think I'll transform these into some fitted slacks for myself. So we have two items that are white and one item that is blue. I don't think I'm going to be combining any of these together. If anything, these two can probably be a look right here. But this one, I might do quick fixes on this one as its own. I already really like the style and the buttons and everything, so I might just make it more fitted to myself. All right, I hope you guys found this video entertaining because that was super awkward for me to do. So make sure you guys stay tuned for the next video to see what I ended up transforming these items into. Bye!